Hi lovelies! The weather is heating up, which means I want to be spending as little time in the kitchen as possible. And that's why I'm so excited to share with you this amazing Mexican bean salad that is so simple to make, is perfect for meal prep, and also happens to taste totally delicious. So there's just so much to love about this salad. It's fiber rich, it's protein packed, and it's totally vegetarian. It's perfect for meal prep, so you can prep it all on Sunday and enjoy it throughout the week. It's great for lunch, it's great for dinner. You can even serve it for breakfast with some fried eggs. Really, really tasty. Now, to get started, I'm going to be mixing up my beans. In this case, I'm using two different types of beans. I've got some black beans. I'm using canned beans that I've just rinsed and drained because I want to keep this super simple. As you guys know, these days with two busy kids in the house, simple is basically my mantra in the kitchen. Then I've got some black-eyed peas. If you wanted to sub in some red kidney beans here or some chickpeas, because that's what you have on hand in your pantry, no problem at all. Next to that, I'm going to add some corn because I want to add a little bit of sweetness and a great summery freshness to this. I'm using frozen corn that I've just thawed out, but if you had fresh corn on hand, that would be even better. This time of the year, fresh corn is one of my favorite things. Then I'm going to add some really beautiful crunch. So I'm doing that with some red bell pepper, I've got some orange bell pepper, and I've also got some red onion here. Now, traditionally in a salad like this, you might use some tomatoes. I'm skipping the tomatoes here because I find they don't meal prep as well, like they don't last as well in a meal prep situation. But if you did want to add some tomatoes to this, the flavor would be amazing. Finally, just before dressing my salad, I want to go ahead and add some really nice freshness here. And I'm doing that today with some chopped cilantro. Now I know some of you love cilantro, some of you are not such big fans. If you do not love cilantro, you could totally leave it out of this recipe. You could swap in some freshly chopped parsley instead. That would be a really good substitution, or just leave it out. It's absolutely fine. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and dress this bean salad. This is one of those amazing dressings that can be mixed up right in your bowl. And the best part about this dressing is the longer your salad sits in this dressing, the more delicious it's going to become. So you can dress it on Sunday and it'll just get better and better. Now here I am starting with some freshly squeezed lime juice. So I've got two nice juicy limes. I'm gonna get all of that juice out. Nothing beats the citrus press for this job. I plan on giving this citrus press a run for its money because margarita season has arrived. And then to my lime juice, I'm gonna go ahead and add some avocado oil, a little bit of agave for sweetness. You could use honey instead if that's what you have in your pantry, no problem. I've got a little bit of chili powder, which of course adds just a little bit of smoky flavor, really, really tasty. And then I wanna hit this liberally with some salt and some pepper. And that's it, the salad is dressed. We're gonna give this a really nice stir. And that's all there is, folks. This incredible salad can be enjoyed all on its own, or you can serve it over a nice big bed of fresh romaine with some chopped avocado on top. There's just so much to love about this salad. The flavors are bright and fresh, the color is super vibrant, and it is just loaded with nutrition. If you wanted to make it even more filling, you could serve it with some quinoa or some cooked rice instead. Another thing it pairs really well with is protein, so some salmon would be really good with it, or some shrimp, or even some grilled chicken would be amazing. Or you can enjoy it all on its own as a dip with nothing but some tortilla chips. Guys, there are so many ways to enjoy it, but the best part is it's going to last in your refrigerator for between 3 and 4 days. So it's really wonderful for meal prep. I hope you guys love it as much as I do and that you will give it a try for yourselves. If you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Facebook me a photo, because you know how much I love seeing your kitchen creations. Remember, this recipe, like all of our recipes, is featured on healthymealplans.com, our amazing meal planning site that allows you to browse more than 1,000 recipes, drag and drop them into your weekly meal plan, and automatically generates your grocery list for the week. What could be easier than that? Thank you, as always, so much for watching. And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.